So now is the time for you to simply relax and listen to the sound of my voice in your time, where nobody wants anything from you, nobody expects anything from you. There's nothing for you to do but simply relax and let go and listen to my voice as you enter your own sanctuary of peace. So you can just take some time and make yourself comfortable, lying down or sitting in a comfortable chair. When you're ready, if you want to, you can close your eyes, or you can watch the screen and the picture, whichever feels most comfortable for you. You may hear sounds of birds or sheep, but these just remind you that they're just distractions that are nothing to do with you, and they just help you to feel deeply at peace in your own sanctuary, because there's nothing for you to do but simply relax. Take a few nice deep breaths, and as you breathe out, let go of the tension inside you and breathe in peace. As you focus now, take your attention and focus into your feet. Simply be there in your feet and your toes and let them be. Let them relax. As you move your attention to your ankles, then your calves and the shins and the fronts of your lower legs. And let them sink down and relax. As you focus now on the backs of your knees, the fronts of your knees, and let them sink down. As your focus goes into the backs of your thighs, all the muscles of the backs of your thighs, let them sink heavy. Feel heavy and let go. And the fronts of your thighs, so that your legs are so heavy they sink down. All the bones and the muscles just relax and let go. As focus moves to your buttocks and your hips and pelvis and your abdomen, let all this area of you just relax and be at peace. And into your intestines and your stomach and your lower back. Let the bones of your lower spine just sink and ease and relax. And then focus on how relaxed you feel as you move your awareness into the middle area of your spine. Take a breath, and then as you breathe out, let all the tension go from your middle spine. Let it relax and sink down. And the same with your upper spine. All the vertebrae and the muscles around this area of your back, your upper back, just let that, as you breathe out, sink down heavy and relaxed. And all the area of your chest. As you take in a breath, be aware of your lungs, your beautiful lungs like trees, breathing air and oxygen into your body. Breathe in and be aware of your lungs, and breathe out and be grateful for how wonderful they are. And the same with your heart, your beating heart. Does beat for you every second of your life. Be aware of your heart and let it relax. Let it just be. As awareness moves gently, calmly into the area of your shoulders. If you feel tension there in your shoulders, you might want to just hunch them up. Be aware of the tension and then let it all go and sink down. Just let it fall out of you. And sink down heavy. And relax. As you move awareness into your upper arms, your lower arms, your wrists and hands, let them uncurl, let them just be, and let them sink down heavy, heavy arms, all relaxed. As you move very gently back up your arms and into your neck. And let your neck just be all the vertebrae of your neck and the muscles. As you breathe out, just let the tension go and let your neck sink back, heavy and relaxed. Just be. As you move awareness gently into your head. And let your head just go even heavier and sink back as the tension falls out of you and out of your eyes. Let your eyes sink down heavy and let them have a wonderful sense of peace. And just be. And your jaw. Let the muscles of your jaw just relax. Let your jaw maybe open a little so that it can really just relax with the whole of you. Because you are relaxed now from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And whenever you breathe in now, as you breathe out, you sink down even deeper into deep relaxation. Deep peace. And just enjoy that feeling of being. Being you. Being at peace. And now, I want you to imagine something. I want you to imagine a symbol or an image for love. It might be a bird or a butterfly or a flower or a symbol or a shape, anything that works for you. I want you to imagine a symbol that represents love. Just what comes to you and feels comfortable and right. And now, I want you to imagine this symbol of love filling you inside every part of your being. Lots and lots of little symbols, or one big symbol of this love, filling you inside. It's always been there, but you're becoming more and more aware of it inside of you. Love inside of you, in the whole of you, because love is who you are. You deserve that love. You are that love. If you want to, you can say to yourself, I love myself. And know that that is right, because you deserve it, and because love is who you are. Or if you want to, you can just enjoy feeling aware of this energy of love filling you inside and healing you, healing every part of your being. If you want to, you can send that love to a special part of you that needs love and healing right now. Or you can just be aware of it everywhere inside you. Whatever feels right for you. Just be. Just be that love. Because love is always there inside of you. Love is an energy that is inside you and belongs to you. And if you want to, you can say to yourself again, I love myself. And just let that energy be. Or just be quiet and enjoy that feeling of love and peace and healing quietly. Now, I want you to listen again to my voice, because it's time to very gently, very peacefully and calmly come out of this sanctuary and back into the outside world. But knowing that this sanctuary of peace and healing is always there inside of you, and you can return there anytime you choose. So just gradually and slowly in your own time, begin to wiggle your toes and your fingers. Maybe stretch your arms and your legs. Take some deeper breaths as you become more aware of the room that's around you. You can still have your eyes closed as you become aware. And breathe deeper. Feel refreshed and healed as you come up out of this sanctuary of peace. Breathing more deeply now, wiggling your toes, and when you're ready, simply open your eyes and enjoy being in the world, being you, at peace.